Hey guys, here is another recycled asphalt project. Now we did this recycled asphalt a little bit different than we did the rest of them before. So I did recycled asphalt. This one I did it on top of mud. There were nothing under it, no gravel, no crushed stone, nothing, just mud. And I put this on top of it. People told me that I'm cutting corners, it's not gonna last. That was like 3-4 years ago, and it still looks good. And then later on I did recycled asphalt on uh, stone with stone base. It was a 4 to 6 inch stone base, so that was good too. But this time I did this recycled asphalt on top of grass, just grass. I didn't even cut the grass under it, it was just tall grass. So I did this because I want to see, this is just grass right under it. And people telling me that, yeah, it's gonna grow through, and recycled asphalt, as I drive my park on it, it's gonna sink into the topsoil. So it was a waste of time. It's gonna disappear. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna do regular updates. I'm gonna plow the snow with those guys. So I'm not gonna treat it nicely. I'm gonna go aggressive on it, just as I did with the other one. And we'll see how long is it lasts. We'll see if they right when they coat you with different kind of crushed stones and compacting. This one wasn't even compacted. We put it down, next day hard rain came, and it's already quite hard. Rain is compacting it, and the sun, just nature just works nicely. So we'll see how long this one gonna last. And I'm gonna give you guys the updates if any grass is growing through at all, and let you guys know if you do it this way, how long is it gonna last, is it worth it, am I really cutting corners? We'll see. Stay tuned.